Today we are talking about Blockade Labs project, and it's an AI model that generates 360 view images. So let's dive to our topic. Let's open blockadelabs.com. Here you put your prompt and here you choose the style you want to create with. You can enable negative prompts from here, so you can avoid what you don't want in your image. Now let's create some images. For example, let's use this prompt and try it with different image styles. You can see some faults in the pictures, but all are good and look amazing. For mushrooms world, look at this result. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe and see you next time.